back, this is Tiana. Today I'm going to show you how I'll be doing my red box braids. I'm going to show you my technique. I'm going to show you what type of products I'll be using. And I will show you the type of hair that I'll be demonstrating. So the hair that I'm going to use, I have the Queen Bee. This one is, I found 2 bags. So this one comes in the 4-pack Queen Bee, 50 inches. The color is BG. And this is going to be sort of like a blend, so I'm going to mix them. And then I have the other one. It's the same thing. It's Queen Bee, but it's mixed with 1B black, but it has red on the ends. So I'll be using that like half in the front, and then the other pack I'll use in the back. I just wanted to kind of blend with the black because my hair is kind of mixed. It has like 2 different colors in it, so I wanted to blend. So that's what we'll be working with today, guys. So stay tuned. And I'm going to show you. Okay, so to begin, you want to make sure you section your hair. I always say section your hair into 4. I've already sectioned my hair a little bit. So you just make sure you parting it. You know, break it into 2. Separate it, you know, from ear to ear. You know, it doesn't have to be extremely perfect, but, you know, just kind of follow this guide, you know, to start. So we're just gonna pull his hair back. I'm gonna take this section and I'm going to clip it out the way. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, pretty much. Just gonna follow that line and just go like that, like that. So separate it and just kind of clip it. I ain't gonna worry about the belt. Just make sure when you measure it, you just want to try to be consistent with it. So I'm gonna break this up into 2, just like this. Broken up into 2, so I'm gonna set 1/2 on one side, and I'm gonna take it again and break it up into 2. I feel like it's a little heavy on one side, so that's how we're gonna start it off. So we'll take that piece and just make sure it's combed out good. And we're gonna break this into 2. So we'll just break that into 2. And we're gonna start off with this one first as our demonstration. So I'm gonna put that back like that, and we're gonna take some gel. I'm gonna take my Passion Curls Jelly Pudding. Apply it to the, just, you know, the roots, and just to smooth it out. The hair was already previously washed, so this is not going to be a hard process for me. So we just pull it up kind of like with the comb, whatever comb you have. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break this into 2. Take that piece and place it right there. That's where this first section. Then the second piece is gonna be right here. So we're gonna pull a second loop of hair and put it, like, place it together. And then we're just gonna take it and kind of fold it into a braid like that, like so. So this is how you do it to start it off. So you just kind of fold it under. And you may have to go in and pull from sections to blend it to make it like nice and smooth. So like right here, feels kind of thin. So I'm going to take some of that hair out from that piece and blend it with the middle piece. And I'm just going and I'm just continue to braid it. And see how I'm doing it. Camera. So once again, you just break this into two. Fold it over. Comb it out. Add a rubber band. And it's important that you try to get the rubber band like close to the root as possible. Like comb it down. Add some gel. And we're gonna take that hair like I told you. First piece, you're going to just hold that. That's going to be your first strand. And then the second piece is where that lines up with the rubber band. So we're going to place it right there where the rubber band is. And we're just going to take it and fold it down and cross it over. Making sure you hide the rubber band. So. And we're just braiding under instead of over. Just like that, like so. And once you get it down to a certain point, like I said, you can switch it and braid it, you know, quicker when you like, I'll show you. I twist it over and I just continue braiding it, but helps me move a little bit faster. So I just take it and twist it over like that and I just keep braiding. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna be doing a rubber band technique throughout my whole head because I believe in healthy hair, and I was just trying to show you, you know, from the beginning how you would do it. That's an easy way to do it if you're just trying to learn how to braid to start, and you know, that's an easy way. So I'm just going to show you my method. That is like the easiest way to do it, but once again, you got pieces folded in half. I'm going to hold these two pieces together, and I'm going to take all this hair right here. I'm going to pull it straight up, and it's going to be blended with that second piece, like right here, this piece. So you're going to place it right on top of that hair. It's just the same way you would have did it with a rubber band, but to me, it's more easier to do for me, and it's less tension on the hair. So whichever technique you prefer, it's up to you. I just know that this works better for me, but I just wanted to demonstrate a few, you know, with the rubber band. This is without the rubber band. So it's actually tighter to me too without the rubber band. As I go up, I'm going to do it without the rubber band as I finish. So working my way up to the top, and then once I get through with the front, I'll be working on the back. Okay, so I'm going to take some of my BB Like and Love serum. I'm going to apply that to my roots, to my scalp. And of course, this oil will promote growth and add moisture to your hair. So you just, put it in the scalp and just saturate it. Next, I'm going to take some of my mousse, my lighter body foam. I'm going to add that to the hair. Now I'm just going to dip my ends in this hot water. Guys, I know I've been missing for a few weeks because I got sick. So I wasn't able to make any videos. So I know it's really hot now. So I said, well, let's do a box braid video since I haven't done one in a while. I've never done it on myself. I did it on my daughter's hair. So this is my first time doing the actual box braids on myself. So just dipping it. Okay, so this is pretty much it, guys. I might just like pull this over and just wear this off to the side. As you can see how I did it, you're able to kind of, play with it and, be diverse with this, hair. Okay, guys, so this will complete my video. I pulled over some of my braids to the side because I wanted to wear it like that. But this is basically the outcome. And it didn't take too long to do the style. It wasn't that hard for me because I already do hair. But I will say the back is easier for me because I can grab it more, with the front take a little more time. So this pretty much will complete it. And like when I was in the back, I think I did 4 sections in the back. So I started off with 4, 4, 4, worked my way up to the top, and then the front was pretty much like a couple on the side, and then I did 3 and 3 on both sides to balance it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please rate and subscribe, and I will see you in another video.